Hello everyone, I'm Ayushi, currently in Ramaya College of Law in third year. So I'm currently interning for the month of June in the Lexus and Company. So today I'm going to speak on a topic, like new rules, new rules which came, new IT rules of 2021. So recently, what the government has notified the information technology. It is the intermediary guidelines and digital media ethic rules 2021. So these new rules broadly deal with the social media and the over the OTT platform. These rules have been framed in the exercise of power under the section 87 clause 2 of the Information Technology IT Act 2000, and in the for the like in the suppression of the early information technology intermediary guideline of 211. So I'll give you the few backgrounds of the this act of how it came. So in the month in the year 2018, the Supreme Court had observed that the government of India need to the frame a necessary guideline to eliminate child pornography and the gang rape imaginaries, videos, and the sites in the content of hosting platform and the other applicants. So in the year 2020, what happened that the crime, digital crime and the crime is increasing day by day. So because of that, an ad hoc committee of Rajya Sabha laid the report after studying the alarming issue of the pornography and social media and its effect on the children and society as a whole, and they recommended for enabling identification of the first originator of such content. And the government brought the video streaming over the OTT platforms under the ambit of the Ministry of Information and the Broadcasting. So now I'll tell you about what are the structure of intermediary rules. So while part 1 of the intermediary rule mainly lays down the definition of the term and the part 2 and part 3 contain the actual compliance and the requirement. Part 2 deals with the regulation of intermediaries, including social media intermediaries, including messaging relating intermediaries such as WhatsApp, Signal, and Telegram, media related intermediaries such as Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and this part of administrated by the Ministry of Electronic and Information of Technology of meeting. So the part 3 deals with the regulation of digital media. Through there is a lack of clarity of exactly which news media these rules apply to, and the OTT platforms such as the Netflix, Amazon Prime, the Disney and the Hotstar. So part 3 is administered by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The rules which came up within the three ambit different criteria, that is for the social media and digital news and the OTT. New guidelines for the social media intermediary, that is the first category the social media intermediary. Based on the users and the social media platform intermediary, it has been divided into two groups, that is the social media intermediaries and the significant social media intermediaries. So the due diligence to be followed by intermediaries. So in case of due diligence, that basically the diligence which is rules is to be followed by the intermediaries, and if it is not followed, and the safe harbor provision will not apply to them. The safe harbor provision, which is the immunity provisions, and the safe harbor provision is defined under the section 29 of the IT Act to protect the social media intermediaries by the giving them immunity for the legal prosecution of any content posted on the platform. So the grievance redressal mechanism is mandatory, that is the intermediary shall appoint the grievance officer and to deal with the complaint and the grievance officer shall acknowledge the complaint within the 24-hour and should resolve within the 15 minutes. Ensuring the online safety and dignity of the user, intermediary shall remove all disable access within the 24-hour of the recipient of complaint of content and such expose of the private areas of individuals, so such individuals full, partial nudity or in sexual. Such a complaint can be filed either by the individual or by the person on his behalf. So additional due diligence for the significant of social media intermediary appointed appointment. So for the need, that is appointed by 3 officers, that is chief compliance officer, nodal contact person, the resident grievance officers. So the compliance report need to be published monthly, monitoring the details of complaint received and action. So enabling identity of originator, the significant social media intermediate provides the services primarily in the nature of messaging shall enable the identification of the first originator of the information. Required only for the purpose of prevention, defection, investigation, prosecution. So, removal of unlawful information that the intermediary upon the actual acknowledge should form an order of a court or being notified by the appropriate government or agencies through the authorized officer should not host or publish any information which is prohibited under law. So there is a rules for news for publisher and OTT. So platform and digital for OTT, there is a self classification of content. That is there is several classification of content which is done. That is categories are under 7 plus, under 13 plus, under 16 plus, and adult. There should be a parental log, parental log for the content classified under the 13 plus or higher. And there should be a display rating, that is shall prominently display the classification of rating specified to each content on program together with the content description. So for publisher of news on digital media, there should be a required to observe the norms of journalistic conduct of Press Council of India under the program code under the Cable Television Network Regulation Act 1995, thereby providing a legal playing field between the offline and digital media. So there is a grievance redressal mechanism, that is a 3-level grievance redressal mechanism has been established under the rules with a different level of regulation. So, to view the intermediaries' rules have far-reaching consequences on the online privacy, freedom of speech and expression, and access to information. In addition to the constitutional issue that the rules suffer from. Thank you.